In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix not live. If you want to take your Wix website offline so visitors can no longer access the published version, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is helpful if you're making updates, reworking your site, or if you just don't want the website visible to the public right now. To get started, go to the main dashboard of your Wix site. This is the area where you manage your website and access all of your site controls. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the sidebar menu with different options for managing your site. From that left sidebar, click on Settings. This section contains the general controls for your website, including important publishing and visibility options. After opening Settings, find Website Settings. Go ahead and open that section because that's where Wix keeps the main settings related to your live site. When you're inside Website Settings, look near the top of the page. You should see an option labeled Unpublish. This is the button you need if you want to make your Wix site no longer live. Click Unpublish and Wix will take the published version of your website offline. Once that's done, your site won't be publicly accessible in the same way it was before. This means visitors won't be able to view the live version of the site until you publish it again. Keep in mind that unpublishing does not delete your website. Your content, design, and settings will still remain in your Wix account, so you can continue editing everything in the background whenever you want. This is a great option if you need to pause your site temporarily without losing any of your work. If you decide later that you want the site live again, you can simply return and publish it again when you're ready. So, to quickly recap, go to your site's main dashboard, click Settings in the left sidebar, open Website Settings, and then click Unpublish at the top. That's all it takes to make your Wix website not live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.